The Poco is back with another smartphone to the global market, the Poco X3 NFC. Hello viewers, I am Mr. Techy here and you are watching Mr. Tech Guy, and let's get started. Before watching this video, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified with the latest tech. Poco X3 NFC has become a new storm in the market. Coming to the specification, towards display, the phone comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with HDR10 support and also with 120Hz refresh rate with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Now talking about camera, the phone comes with a quad camera setup with the main camera being 64 megapixel f1.9 following by 13 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle lens and also 2 megapixel f2.4 micro lens and 2 megapixel f2.4 for depth sensor. The phone has a dual LED flash and supports video recording up to 4K at 30 frames per second and also slow motion of 1080p at 30 and 120 frames and also 760p at 960 frames per second. Talking about the front camera, there is a single 20 megapixel f2.2 sensor with video recording up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now coming to the performance, the phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G based on 8nm, which is 15% more powerful than Snapdragon 730G. These are the benchmark scores and Antutu scores of the processor. With Adreno 618 GPU, the phone has a 6GB RAM coupled with 64 or 128GB storage depending upon the variant with UFS 2.1 storage. The phone runs on Android 10 MIUI 12 on board. The phone supports stereo speakers with 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, infrared port, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi, side-mounted fingerprint reader. The phone also has an IP53 splash-proof protection. Now looking at the battery, the phone has a 5160 mAh battery with 33V fast charging, where the company claims 62% in 30 minutes and 100% in 65 minutes. Now the most awaiting the price. The 6GB RAM with 64GB storage variant comes at €199, which means around 17,281 rupees, and the top variant is about €249, that is 21,263. So what's your opinion about the smartphone? Comment down below and see you next time.